Hey everyone, welcome back to Desert Vegas Fishing. Today I'm going to show you how I set up my 3-hour studio in my office. So I'm going from this to this. So it's my new little studio. It took me 3 hours to put together. I'm going to show you how I did it. Still getting used to it, but I'm much happier than being out in the garage. Well, there you have it, everybody. It took me about 3 hours to build this. I got the table from Amazon. I got all these, I got the camera stand from Amazon. I'll put everything in the video and I'll show you what I bought. I got the 2 lights, I had those. So I probably spent about $700 total to get this put together, but it is a far cry from being out in the garage, and I'm way behind on the YouTube game. So thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Hope it inspires you to create a little space for yourself, and we will see you next year in 2026. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.